Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with Crypto Ninjas. My name is Dale, and this video I'll be showing you the best Binance referral code that you can use in 2025 to get up to 20% off up to trading fees for life. Let's go. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Ninjas for the best crypto contents and use our referral code for Binance Exchange down in the description. Thank you very much. We also have a very detailed article guiding you through how to apply the code step by step, so make sure to check that out, link in description. So first of all, what will you get for using our referral code? Well, this referral code will give you a free $100 USDT as a sign-up bonus in 2025. Along with that, it will also offer you 20% off or discount on spot trading fees for life. And when it comes to futures trading, because I know that you guys want to trade futures, we also give you up to 10% off of the trading fees. Not only that, you also have commission cashback as well as be able to participate in campaigns and promotional events for monetary benefits. If you want to claim this amazing code and all of the benefits inside, well, just go to our link in the bio and also in the comments and click on the claim bonus now. This will lead you to a registered page for the Binance Exchange. This step is very important because you have to use our article link in the comments and in the bio and click on the claim bonus now to have this code applied to your account forever. If you do not do that, there's not going to be any rewards. Keep in mind, you have to be a brand new user on Binance. You also have to complete KYC as well as deposit money and trade on Binance in order to be eligible. Now that we got all of that out of the way, how do you register an account on Binance and apply the code? Oh, very easy. Again, scroll down and click on the claim bonus now. This link will automatically apply this code to your account, so you don't have to do anything else. After you have done so, you need to fill in your email or phone number to register an account, or you can also log in or sign up with your Google account, your Apple account, or even your Telegram account. For this video, I will be creating a new account with my new email, so just put on your email and click on next. They will send a verification code to your email, so make sure to go to that email and then choose and just copy and paste the code. Next step is to create a password. Make sure to follow all of these guidelines. And there we go, you have completed the sign up and automatically apply our referral code for 20% off of spot market and 10% off of futures market, as well as commission and all of the amazing rewards and campaigns to your new account. The next step is to get you verified, aka complete the KYC progress. This is very simple steps. Just select the document type that you have and also the countries that you are the resident at. Now that you have completed the KYC, the final step and the easiest step, the most exciting step, is to start depositing money into your account and start trading. And that's basically it. That is how you apply our amazing referral code to level up your trading experience and get 20% off your trading fees on spot and up to 10% on your futures market. Make sure to subscribe to Crypto Ninjas, follow us on our channels, and comment down below what you think about the Binance Exchange as well as its amazing program. Thank you very much for watching. Use our code and I'll see you in another video. Daily out.